need my screwdriver. All right, guys, well, we made it over to Autotopia, LA. We're unloading the car right now. Can't wait to get rolling. Can't wait to hang out with Shawn and the crew. We're gonna have some fun.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you'd like to support our channel, please check out our merch at maniacsgarage.com. We have backpacks, hats, shirts, and other lifestyle apparel for your purchase. Don't forget to leave us a thumbs up, and as always, subscribe.
But there has been some that have
Ferrari F40, 2.8 million bucks maybe right now. Made for 5'7".
We did a walkthrough of his facility, and then he took me for a ride, ahead of time. He said,
Oh yeah, Shawn, I fit this perfectly.
Right?
Yeah.
Put a helmet on.
Yeah.
Tell me how you're doing.
Yeah.
Right? So the guy that buys the car.
So I mean, I'd trade born again.
Yeah,
for this.
tell him you'll park.
Wow, man, that F40 was cool, but look at this 356 Porsche. Cars, man, just go on and on in here. Look at this Mercedes limo. Super unique. Our Maybach back there. I don't know if you can hear me. Can you hear me? Oh, check out Lotus right here. Convertible caddy.
Hey John, let's do this.
Yeah, let's do it.
Autotopia, LA. This is what I've been waiting for a really, really, really long time. This is my friend John. John has a company, side project, passion project called Maniacs Garage. You can definitely find him out there on Instagram. But this is one of those undertakings that it didn't come together in a minute. Here's all I know about it. I know you started with a 49 Ford, right up there with the 51 Ford, one of the ugliest cars ever produced in my opinion. I know all you Ford guys get pissed at me right now, but it's really not. A shoebox was never a beautiful car. What BMW is under here?
So it's a 2008 335i.
Okay.
So that's an E92 for all you BMW buffs.
There we go. So you take the body off the Ford,
Yeah.
you take the body off the BMW, throw that away.
Yeah.
And you rebody it with, the platform, is it not a lot wider?
It's actually not. It's surprising.
Really?
And people ask me how much measuring and preparation have I done prior to.
Yeah.
It was kind of like, it's about the same size. That's about the planning that went into the BMW coming together with the 49.
Okay.
Everybody pass right this way. Everybody pass right this way.
Dude, we were talking about it off camera, how many different vehicles I get the opportunity to drive. I mean, you probably don't even understand how much I've been looking forward to this, but your creativity that I've mentioned over and over again, and you seem to be one of those guys that has a, I'm gonna figure it out approach, so that we've gone from the process of, I've seen it not running at all, I'm driving your car down the road right now. This is like, and it feels so far, it just feels, I mean, obviously I haven't gotten into it in the slightest, but it just feels so completely drivable.
Universal rubber and Lexan. I knew it was going to be fixed. Got the little sliders on it, race sliders. So
Right, like you said, so you can reach out and get yourself a cup of coffee.
Yeah, a tall fits through there, not nothing bigger.
Yeah, you're not getting a venti through here, man.
No, not working.
I think I've been smiling the whole time I'm driving this car. It's just really fun.
It's not very loud until you're romping,
Yeah, but it comes on good. It makes those sounds that come from a turbo car. I love when you hear it whistling and then you hear the blow off.